Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to fix Disney Plus app not working. So our first solution is we need to clear our Disney Plus cache files. To do that, open your phone settings, search for app management. Once you get it, tap on that. Tap on Disney Plus, storage usage, tap on clear cache, clear data, clear, and then open your Disney Plus and check the problem if fixed or not. And the last solution is we need to delete Disney Plus app completely and we need to reinstall it. To do that, open your phone settings, search for app management. Once you get it, tap on that, tap on Disney Plus, tap on storage usage, tap on clear cache and clear data, tap on back, and now tap on uninstall. Once you uninstall your Disney Plus, reinstall your Disney Plus, and that's how we can fix this problem. If this photo helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.